Before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more beauty and skincare tips. Let's help you keep your skin glowing all year round, no matter the season. The rainy season can be tricky when it comes to skincare. The humid, wet conditions bring unique challenges that can leave your skin feeling dull or prone to breakouts. In today's video, we'll be sharing 11 simple and effective ways to maintain healthy, glowing skin during the rainy season. 1. Cleanse your face daily. Even during cooler weather, cleansing is essential to remove dirt and pollutants that clog your pores. Wash your face 2 to 3 times a day to prevent acne and rashes, and always change out of wet clothes as soon as possible to maintain overall skin hygiene. 2. Apply toner. After cleansing, using a toner immediately after washing your face helps tighten pores and detoxify your skin. Opt for natural toners like lemon, cucumber, or green tea to prevent dirt from settling into your pores and reduce the chances of breakouts. 3. Don't skip sunscreen. Just because it's cloudy doesn't mean you can skip sunscreen. UV rays can still penetrate through clouds and damage your skin. Always apply a lightweight sunscreen with at least SPF 30 before heading outdoors. 4. Routine facial exfoliation. The humid weather can lead to bacterial buildup, making regular exfoliation important. Use a gentle scrub to clear clogged pores and remove dead skin cells, helping you maintain clear, radiant skin. 5. Moisturize regularly. While the rainy season is humid, it can still leave your skin feeling dry. Applying a moisturizer keeps your skin hydrated, prevents wrinkles, and leaves it looking vibrant and healthy. 6. Reduce heavy makeup. In humid conditions, heavy makeup can clog your pores. Opt for lighter makeup and make sure to double cleanse at the end of the day to remove all makeup and avoid breakouts. 7. Use a mud mask. Mud masks are rich in minerals and provide essential moisture to your skin. Using a mud mask regularly can prevent dullness, leaving your skin glowing and refreshed. 8. Eat green vegetables. A healthy diet goes hand in hand with healthy skin. Incorporate green vegetables to give your skin the essential nutrients it needs to stay vibrant. Avoid oily and fast foods that can negatively affect your skin. 9. Eat fruits. Fruits are packed with antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental damage. Eating fruits regularly helps your skin heal from the effects of pollution and sun exposure, keeping it looking healthy from the inside out. 10. Drink lots of water. Hydration is key for glowing skin. Even in cooler weather, it's essential to drink plenty of water to prevent dryness and keep your skin hydrated. 11. Take supplements and beauty vitamins. Consider adding supplements like collagen and vitamin E to your routine. Collagen promotes skin renewal, keeping it supple and moisturized, while vitamin E provides antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental damage. Maintaining healthy skin during the rainy season doesn't have to be complicated. By following these simple tips, cleansing, moisturizing, eating well, and staying hydrated, you can keep your skin radiant and problem-free no matter the weather. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more beauty and skincare advice. Check out the other channels in the Ingleside Reviews Network for great content on health, gadgets, and more. Visit our website, support us on Patreon, and sign up for our newsletter to get your free ebook on beauty and skincare today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.